Driving to the waterfall on this road, winding road. It is about 8 a.m. on Wednesday, the day before my ayahuasca treatment. Now we're on this dirt road. I think I got lost going to this parking lot. It's pretty far away. I had to go up the mountain and stuff. So it says it's this way, so we're gonna find out here shortly. Alright, so I got out of that entrapment right there. I decided to go back where I came from to the main road to go up the normal way, because this is not a four-wheel drive vehicle, so I don't think I'm gonna make it. But check out that view. Well, you can't really see it, but we're going back down to the main road to go back the normal way to the waterfall, Nauyaca waterfall. So we don't want to get trapped and stranded and have to walk 2 miles or 3 miles to get my car unstuck and all that stuff and ruin the day. So we're going back down. Pretty cool. Look at this turn right here. I can't believe I made up this one. That's pretty cool. Gonna go up to the waterfall. I found this little road. Looks pretty cool. Cool little area. Got a big bamboo growth right here. Pretty cool. Little tent. I don't think someone's camping out, but I'm in the jungle. Doing a little four-wheeling here. Even though this is not a four-wheel drive vehicle, I almost got stuck.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
Made it to Nauyaca waterfall, so we're gonna check that out and let you know what happens. Here's my rental car. Okay, just got my ticket. It is $14 to go to the waterfall and park near the waterfall. So this is just the office right here, Nauyaca waterfall office, and then you gotta buy a ticket and then go park your car up the road. So that's what we're gonna do, and then check out the waterfall. Finally made it down to the entrance of the waterfall. We've got little tours with horses and stuff. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna do a little hike. Feel like Tarzan over here. Pretty cool little river to the waterfall. Gonna cross this little bridge and then go up to the waterfall. Guess we're almost there. Walking up this dirt road. Alright, I made it to the waterfall. Looks like it's just down there. Pretty tough hike, but we'll go check it out now. So you go down this little bridge thing, and you can hear the waterfall for sure. And check it out. Deep in the jungle, it's really hot. Sweating pretty bad. Alright, almost to the waterfall. It's quite a hike. Got my shoe all muddy. Definitely right here. You can hear it. Nauyaca waterfall.
went swimming and jumped off that little cliff right there in the middle of the waterfall. Tough to get up there. I cut my hand. No big deal. I'm not bleeding too bad. But, yeah, pretty cool. Refreshing water. Pretty calm. Alright guys, that concludes today's video of Nauyaca Waterfalls in Costa Rica. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thanks guys.